The British Army's military vehicles will soon receive a high-energy laser weapon under the Land Demonstrator Laser Program, initiated by the UK Ministry of Defence to boost their lethality. This was announced by defence company Raytheon UK, which noted that integrating the brand new high-energy 15-kilowatt laser weapon into a Wolfhound armoured vehicle would take place in October 2023. This will mark the first time the British Army vehicles would sport a state-of-the-art laser weapon, and it has also been touted as a groundbreaking milestone for Raytheon. This is expected to substantially advance the British Army's understanding of the actual application of such cutting-edge weaponry. The Wolfhound is a six-wheeled variant of the well-known Mastiff and offers troops extra security while assisting missions in dangerous regions, in addition to serving as a gun tractor and gun limber for the Royal Artillery's 105 light cannon. It offers a highly protected, load-carrying vehicle for various tasks. This 15-kilowatt laser system, to be mounted on the Wolfhound, has been meticulously designed to combat airborne threats, especially unmanned aerial vehicles. Compared to conventional munitions, it is expected to provide a nearly limitless number of shots, pinpoint accuracy, and extremely little collateral damage, while shooting down aerial threats that have become a new battlefield menace, as observed in the Ukraine war. British Army's laser weapon. High-energy laser weapon system is a modular counter-UAV system that uses an electro-optical sensor to pursue highly maneuverable threats accurately and relatively efficiently. The system is adaptable and has been fielded in numerous real-world settings. It can also be linked with a wide range of contemporary air defense systems to provide a robust layered defense capability as needed. According to Raytheon UK, the high-energy laser weapon system has completed several field tests under challenging weather conditions, including intense heat, cold, rain, sleet, and snow. This essentially proves the utility of the weapon system, which is not only affordable but also appears to be reliable. The system successfully acquired, tracked, targeted, and shot down dozens of drone targets during 4 days of extensive live-fire drills in the United States earlier this year. The live-fire drills reportedly included short-range attacks, swarm attacks, and long-range threat scenarios. Raytheon's high-energy laser weapon system has a small transportable design that allows for easy platform adaptability and seamless interoperability with other air defense systems. It is a viable and affordable option for securing military resources, crucial infrastructure, and quickly fending attacks because it has deep recharged magazine and needs little logistical support. The device presents a cost-effective alternative to conventional weapons by providing many shots with unmatched precision and minor collateral damage. Several advanced militaries worldwide, including the United States and Israel, have developed and deployed laser weapons to shoot down UAVs. The UK is a pioneer in using lasers for combat, having used an accurate dazzler laser as far back in history. In the Falklands War in 1982, the British government is committed to creating and deploying a homegrown high-energy system in the coming years. Lasers must be integrated into the platform they are carried on, just like any other weapon system. This requires careful attention to detail and working within constraints. It was also noted that Raytheon UK was aggressively building on the success of their efforts in the United States, where 8 high-energy laser weapons have been supplied to the US military. Additionally, more than 400 targets have been neutralized by these systems during more than 25,000 operational hours, which is a remarkable track record. Compared to Lockheed Martin's 300-kilowatt monster, a 15-kilowatt laser may appear insignificant, yet it is still quite effective against UAVs and more powerful threats. Attacking weak electronics and sensors can blind what it can't destroy. Thanks for watching.